Hi, I'm Roger. I'm a nurse with Heart to Heart International, and we're here in Clyde, North Carolina, following Hurricane Helene. And we're setting up a mobile medical clinic and seeing patients. Yesterday afternoon, we saw a delightful young lady, 89 years old, I believe she is, a retired nurse, who had this infectious smile, charming personality, outgoing, warm, and just drew everybody to her. She had an injury that we were able to treat successfully. She was so grateful for just for us taking the time to talk with her and take care of her. The entire crew appreciated her being here. It uplifted us, and hopefully we uplifted her somewhat as well as helping her out.